Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato playing on a swing. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, I'll draw Pocoyo, starting with his big, round eyes. Then, I'll add his smiling mouth and his cute little face. Next, I'll draw his signature hat, making sure it looks just right. Now, let's draw his hand holding onto the swing so he doesn't fall off. After that, I'll sketch his body and legs to complete his sitting pose. Now, it's time to draw Pato standing next to Pocoyo. I'll start with his round eyes, then add his beak and face. Look, he's smiling too. Moving on, I'll draw his body, legs, and of course, his funny little hat. Finally, I'll draw the swing so they can have fun together. To make the drawing stand out, I'll use a black marker to outline everything. And now, it's time to color. First, I'll use green for Pato's hat, then orange for his beak and legs. His body will be bright yellow. For Pocoyo, I'll use sky blue for his hat and outfit. Then, I'll add some dark blue, yellow, and cream to bring him to life. Lastly, I'll color the swing using dark yellow and light brown to make it look real. And there you have it. But don't go anywhere yet, because now we're going to draw and color Pocoyo baby and Pato baby. Let's start with Pocoyo baby. First, I'll draw his adorable eyes and tiny nose. Then, I'll add his mouth, but this time, he's sucking on a pacifier. How cute! Next, I'll draw his little hat, followed by his tiny hands. To complete the picture, I'll draw a cozy blanket and a baby crib. Right next to him, I'll draw Pato baby. I'll begin with his big, round eyes, then add his large beak. Pato baby has a chubby little head. Just like Pocoyo baby, he's also sucking on a pacifier. Now, I'll sketch his blanket and crib to make him look all snug and comfy. Let's outline everything with a black marker to make the drawing even clearer. Now, it's coloring time. I'll start by using yellow for their pacifiers. Pocoyo's hat will be sky blue, and his skin will be a soft cream color. Pato's beak will be orange, and his body will be bright yellow. I'll add a touch of light green for some extra details. Doesn't it look adorable? For Pocoyo's blanket, I'll use gray to make it cozy. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!